Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove API access to your Coinbase account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove API access to your Coinbase account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you see suspicious activity on your Coinbase account, sometimes it's better to go ahead and delete API access and re-add it as a security precaution. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase account, and this is the home screen. Now, here on the home screen, if you want to remove API access that you've given, here on the top right, click on your initial. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and just scroll down until you see API. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of the API keys that you've generated. So to remove API access, you'll need to remove each key. So for example, this one right here, off to the right, you're going to click on the blue manage button. Once you click there, it's going to give you a drop-down menu and click on delete key. Next, in order to delete this key, you need to copy the API key and paste it right into here. Also, they let you know it's irreversible and the API key is going to be invalid. Okay, I went ahead and pasted it in. I'm going to click on delete. Quick second later, you're going to see a pop-up, API key successfully deleted, and you can see the API key no longer appears here. So whatever this was connected to, that software is no longer going to work with this API connection to my Coinbase. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove API access to your Coinbase account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.